Hello again. The project tab has now a new section called Artifacts. Let's have a look. Let's download the Drift reference project. As you can see, there's now a new Artifacts section in the project tab. The Drift project has sprites there. Let's click the Sprites artifacts to open the sprite editor. And here we have the sprites. Artifacts have now also been added to the module diagram. Let's open the module diagram for the Drift project. We can see here in the control panel that the artifacts are shown by default. Let's show also the value and data elements. Those elements are now also shown for the sprites artifact. Let's deselect the artifacts. Now the sprites module is no longer shown in the diagram. We can get them back by reselecting the artifacts. And here's the sprites module again. This release includes also a breaking change. The breaking change is that the artifact containing the sprites is now automatically called sprites. Let's close the project and create a new project. When you open the sprite editor for the first time, it creates the sprites module without asking a name for it. And the sprites module has been created as a new artifact. So that is the new artifacts section in the project view. I will still continue improving the project view in the development environment. Anyhow, thanks for stopping by and see you soon.